I don't get used to that car.
Very heavy?
Yeah, it's super heavy. Of course, it's a big luxury.
Yes.
But if you compare to the M5, for example, the M5 is although the same plant and also heavy, but the M5 is much lighter.
Right.
brakes.
Yeah.
I was pushing a little bit hard. The EC is very hard. I had all the time interventions. And, like slow. I don't want to turn it off, but honestly, I don't really need it. Sometimes.
Oh, okay. So that's the brakes are from the traction.
Yeah, from the traction.
Okay. It's amazing how much give they'll let you have though. When it knows that you can drive, it'll let you get get the tail out of it. No, he's like, I won.
Slip with, I don't know, 190, maybe 200 kph. We get it to slip. And it was like, not like we spin, like it was, oh, okay, we slip, let's go to steer a little bit. So, this car is so handsome.
Have you done many laps in a 4RS, the roof? The GT4 RS?
No, not yet.
Because I mean, that's just like a race car compared to this.
Yeah.
I mean, considering this is a soft road car, pretty amazing what it can do.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, I'll see if I can find out where these guys are.
Yeah. So much endurance.